Rusted toilet tank bolts can turn a simple removal into a delicate operation that risks cracking the porcelain if handled improperly. Start by turning off the water supply and flushing to empty the tank so you are not working on a full reservoir. Apply a penetrating oil to the nut and exposed bolt threads and let it soak for at least 20 minutes to loosen corrosion. Hold the bolt head inside the tank with a flat screwdriver or locking pliers while you turn the nut below with a socket wrench to prevent the bolt from spinning and transferring torque to the porcelain. If the nut will not budge even after soaking and proper holding, carefully saw the nut off with a hand hacksaw or use an oscillating tool with a metal blade to avoid sudden shocks to the tank. For bolts that are seized flush with the underside or embedded in hardened grout, chisel or use a grout bit to remove surrounding material so you can access the bolt base. Work slowly and support the tank to avoid chips or cracks. If cutting or chiseling becomes necessary, wear eye protection, apply steady low pressure, and keep a small backup wrench on the bolt to control movement as you remove fragments. Common problems include the bolt spinning freely inside the tank instead of letting you loosen the nut, which usually means you need to stabilize the bolt head inside the tank with pliers or a screwdriver to transfer torque without stressing the porcelain. Another issue is the nut that will not turn because of extreme rust. In that case, cutting the nut off with a hacksaw or using an angle grinder on the nut only is the safest path, keeping all sparks and vibration away from the tank. A third concern is when the bolt is surrounded by grout or concrete that holds it in place. Gently chisel or grind the surrounding material until the bolt base is exposed, support the tank while you work, and remove the bolt remnants with pliers to avoid dropping fragments into the drain. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who can handle plumbing jobs like rusted tank bolt removal and full toilet replacement. Our discussion community lets us and other users share tips, ask questions, and compare approaches so everyone can make better decisions about their projects.